LoadMaxx Plus and QuickLoad Plus trailer installation. The LoadMaxx Plus and QuickLoad Plus scale is an onboard weighing system for trailers. Mounting the scale. There are 3 ways you can mount the trailer scale: flush mounted, van bracket, frame rail bracket. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate option 3, the frame rail bracket. Step 1. Locate and decide where you'd like to install the scale display. Ensure you have enough power and airline to reach your desired mounting location. Step 2. Hold the bracket in the location you will mount it. Mark the trailer's surface that is visible through the holes in the top of the bracket using a permanent marker. Step 3. Drill tapping holes where you have marked and secure the bracket to the trailer's surface. To prevent the bolts from backing out, apply the provided blue Loctite to all threaded bolts in the frame rail bracket. Step 4. Secure the scale display to the mounting bracket with the provided nuts and bolts. Do not over-tighten. Connecting power to the scale. You can connect the trailer scale to the trailer's power through a junction box, marker light, or by using the included ABS T-breakout connector. Note: if using marker light, you will need lights to be on when using the scale. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate option 1, the junction box. Step 1. Plug interface cable into scale display port 1 that exists on the back of the scale. Step 2. Route the power extension cable along the frame of the trailer towards the location where the blunt end of the cable will connect to power. Step 3. Connect the blue power wire on the end of the trailer scale power cable to the blue ABS wire in the junction box. Connect the white ground wire on the end of the scale power cable to the white ground wire in the junction box. Step 4. Secure the cable loosely to the frame using zip ties. Installing the airline and T-fitting. Step 1. Detach the airline connection from the topmost convenient airbag. Step 2. Slide the airline onto the push-to-connect T-fitting. Tug on the airline to ensure it is properly installed. Step 3. Route the airline to the display. Cut the airline as needed to the desired length. The cut end should be flat and perpendicular to the hose. Step 4. Insert the airline into the open end of the push-to-connect fitting in the back of the scale as far as it will go. Tug on the airline to ensure it is properly installed. Step 5. Secure the airline to the existing harness beneath the trailer using plastic zip ties provided in your installation kit. Make sure not to over-tighten zip ties or kink the airline. After you finish installing your scale, power up the tractor and/or trailer to check that the scale lights up. Thank you for following along in today's video. If you have any questions about this installation process, please contact our support team at 888-459-3247.